Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have something a little bit different. I actually have a build your own gift box. So basically build your own home decor subscription box option to share with you guys. I don't know that we have any boxes that do this. I know we have boxes that do have like mystery pop-up boxes, but Free Spirit Bundles actually has, I don't know how many times they do it. I guess this is my second time I've participated in build your own box. So you only add things you love to your box. You set your budget. It's very, very easy. And the items that she gives us to choose from, some of them are past box items, but a lot of them are items that Victoria, the interior designer, just purchased for us to build these boxes with, which is a win-win for me because I totally snagged some duplicates of items that I got in my Free Spirit Bundle boxes that I wanted more of. If you're like, what's Free Spirit Bundles? I'll link my November unboxing up here so you can go take a peek. I snagged some past items so I could have duplicates you're gonna see in a minute and you're not gonna be surprised at what I got. Then I snagged some additional items that I loved. One of the items, I was at a boutique here in San Antonio and saw it in there, but then I remembered that I saw it here, so I ordered it from Victoria. So these are called gift boxes, which are different from the bundles. They pop up, I don't know how many times a year. My box has about $150 worth of product in it, but you get to set your budget and decide. Shipping is $19.99, or it's free shipping if you spend over $150. So yeah, you see why I spent a little over $150. I don't know if I have a coupon code or not. I should ask Victoria about that. I don't know with these exclusive boxes how that works. If I do have one, I will pop it up right down here for you. And let's see, what else did I tell you? Oh, the next bundle, the February 2023 Free Spirit Bundle is going to go live for pre-sale about mid-November. So those of you who like to track the bundles, mark mid-November for the pre-sale. Then my full spoilers will come a little bit after that. We may try to get past the holiday insanity before we start talking about our February bundle. I think it just might be nice for us all, but we'll see. I'll get back with you on that. Oh, she did say, like, remind everybody, this is not the bundle. So not everything is wrapped as gorgeously as our bundles are. Our bundles, once again, you've got to go watch a video here. I'll link another Free Spirit bundle for you up here. Her bundles are wrapped exquisitely. These are not. This is a quicker, cheaper option for you guys to set your own budget and kind of do your own thing. But if you are ordering this as a gift for someone else, Victoria did say, please notate that on your order so that she can do a little something extra for that person that you're ordering for. I need some bigger muscles, apparently. There we go. I got a handwritten note that says, thank you so much for your continued partnership with Free Spirit Bundle. I'm addicted. It seems like I'm doing all of this for you guys to be able to find boxes, which of course I am. And it seems like I'm doing this to support these small businesses, but just deep down, I'm addicted to really cool home decor products and subscription boxes. So it's like a win-win-win. Win for y'all, win for them, and a win for me. Okay, I just pulled all the crinkle paper off the top. It was just a solid layer of crinkle. And here's what it looks like. Just if you're familiar with the bundles, I feel like it's really good to see what the gift box is wrapped as. Of course, I guarantee you guys who watch this all the time are going to be like, yep, I knew she'd pick that. Yep, I knew she'd pick that. Because you can go to the link down below and just start shopping through the items. So, in no real big surprise, I ordered some mini palm fans. I have several large palm fans. However, every time I've gone back home to the beach town where I grew up and tried to get little ones, they're beat up. They're like not working for me. And so I had planned to go back down there to try to get more when I saw these in Victoria's shop. And I was like, let me just say 2 birds, 1 stone. So how many are in here? There's a bunch. So here's what these little cuties look like. You know, I have a big display of these in Emma's room, as well as in a display. Oh, so this cute little craft paper thing is covering up its wire. It's actually wired shut, and I don't have wire cutters in here. I will go get wire cutters and cut this wire open because I do want to separate them. They're really cute as a bundle, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 palm fans in here. And I would like to separate probably 4 and 2 is what I'm thinking to put in my living room and on that entry piece in the IKEA piece that I installed. And so they're real, they're dried. I mean, here, look, you can get some, here's some evidence of some mold. All palms have a little bit of mold on them. So, oh, and also watch my hair. These things, hardcore fan, you know, like in the Bible days when they're like, and they fanned them with palms. I now get why, because these things work really well. We discovered that in our last home decor project we did. We were like, dang, those things put off some wind. Okay, next item, which is oh so very me, but I actually bought this for Emma to go into her new bedroom. If you have not seen, we did a makeover of Emma's bedroom. One of the trickiest projects I've ever done because I balanced kiddos' requests, and she had a lot of requests, with trying to make it like design and aesthetically pleasing. I think we're really close. I have a few more tweaks I want to place, but you can see that whole thing up here. I ordered this to go in Emma's room. She's gonna freak out. It's one of those waterers, the misters that you pump like this. It's so chic, design-wise. It's gonna look so good sitting on her plant shelf, but it's not like too big, too cumbersome. She has a squirt water bottle that she keeps leaving out, and I don't want to see it ever again because it's like purple and it's from the dollar store. It's just so tacky. And so I am very excited for her to have this very chic little guy in her new bedroom. What else did I get? Oh, I got something for the kids' bathroom. So another project that I did is I remodeled our kids' bathroom. It was just like really enclosed. You know what? I'm going to pop a photo up right here. This is what the bathroom used to look like. It was carpet in the bathroom, you guys. Super tight. It smelled weird. I literally sledgehammered, cleared that sucker. And this is what the bathroom looks like now. So normally we keep hand soap on the counter, which is great. But the kiddos have been saving really great subscription box soaps to put upstairs. And I said, do not open a bar of soap until mommy gets something it can go inside because it's going to make a huge mess. I got a little bathtub guy. Isn't he so cute? And with his shape, he can hold the square soaps, the round soaps, the oval soaps. It can hold decorative soaps. It can hold a bar of dial. Like, you get to decide. This is what I saw in a boutique here in San Antonio and almost bought when I was like, wait, I think I saw that in Victoria's shop. So of course, I added this to my bundle. I'm wondering if I'm going to get to keep all of these. I think Emma's going to try to steal some of these also for her super cute little bedroom. Okay. Oh yeah, I got 2 bathtubs because I need one for my bathroom and then one for the kids' bathroom. I forgot about that. And I mean, you could put it by the sink, but with the bathtub shape, I think bathroom is best. Oh my gosh, these are heavier than I thought they were gonna be. So I'm really into candlesticks right now. I love varying heights, varying colors, and varying textures. And so I reached out to Victoria and the Free Spirit team and was like, hey, you know, I'm loving me some candlesticks right now. Y'all have 2 different ones in your shop. Do they coordinate but not match? And she's like, absolutely. So I added both of these in right here. They're even better than in person than they look online. And so I have several different heights. These guys are gonna go in the mix, and I even have several different candlesticks. Nothing matches, but everything coordinates in theme and in texture. So you'll see more of this popping up. I might incorporate it for Christmas. I keep going back and forth. If not, you'll definitely see it when I take Christmas down and I'm bringing up my very fresh, clean palette for winter in January. Here, we'll move this guy to give us some room. And then I had already emailed Victoria about these and was like, listen, I'm in love with this product and I know I'm gonna want more. And she was like, sounds good. They were in the bundle, build your own bundle. So we got these in, which bundle? Was it the last one in November? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Anyways, love these, but we just got one that goes in our vase. And I was thinking, well, I really want to frame these. And I wanted more than one to frame in Emma's room. Now, Emma's room design is kind of done, and I don't know if this is going to work in her room anymore, but leading up to her room is this really long, narrow hallway, and it's very narrow. Even the ceiling height is really low. So if you hang a big chunky piece of art on there, it eats up the space. So I may put these guys down the hallway leading up to her room. And there's a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stems in here, I think. And so I'm either going to do like a floating frame, or I may try to figure out how to directly mount them to the wall, but with a 3D mount so they're slightly off the wall. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to do it. But I mean, they're so cool. And you guys, these aren't real. They're made of paper. You even touching them. I touched them several times and was like, are you sure? Are you sure? The quality is outstanding. So yeah, I think looking at my little bundle here, nobody is really surprised what I built my bundle with. But if you hop on the site, you're going to see a myriad of different things. I think there's some pillows on there. Some of the pillows I think are even hand illustrated by Victoria. There are some other candled and votive type bases there. There were some beads. There were some signs, some frames. What else did I see? I think there were some like coffee bar setups, like cups or spoons that you could add in. There were a few different things, but if you get on the Build Your Own bundle and you're like, uh-oh, like too many decisions, you can reach out to Victoria for help, especially if you're already a subscriber. By the way, anybody can subscribe. Like anybody can subscribe to this, or anybody can purchase this. You don't have to be a subscriber. So maybe if you're one of those people who've been on the sideline, you're like, I love what Free Spirit's doing, but I can't afford the normal quarterly rate. This is a great time to dive in and grab some key pieces. And Victoria is always there to help reach out to the team. They'll help you pick items and tell you, like I had to reach out and be like, hey, do these coordinate but not match? And they were like, yes, they do. If you have any questions at all, reach out to me. I am more than happy to help. I'm going to tell you, the Build Your Own gift box goes fast. Like these items go super fast. So hop on like right now while I'm doing this video so that you can snag the best items and the items that are best matched for you. Because as the week goes on, it gets down to just a few items, and then she'll close down the Build Your Own gift box because there's like just a couple of 1s and 2s items left and there's not enough to build a box. So move quick in grabbing the items that you love most. And if you do order a box, hop like back over here and tell us what you got. Did you get something that coordinates with the past bundle? Did you just kind of go rogue like me? Well, this coordinates with the past bundle, but all of this is me going rogue and filling different parts of my house that needed those onesie items. I'm really thankful that she offers this, especially for those of you who've been wanting to check out Free Spirit. You guys, we have so many unboxings coming. We are in the heart of Build Your Own bundles, winter home decor, Christmas home decor, fall winter fashion. I'm working on advent calendars, which is something I haven't done in the past. It's just a lot of cool stuff coming. So if you have not already, subscribe so that you are first in the know to grab things on, like when you subscribe, you're the first to know when a video releases so you can shop first. These boxes are hitting sold out really quickly, which makes my heart so happy. I hope that you are having the most amazing start to your November. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.